Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how we can install CodeBlock. So first of all you need this CodeBlock, so you will need to extract, or here after clicking right click on it, you will need to click on run as administrator. After that it will begin installation. So you will need to click on yes and then I agree, and we will need all these features, so we will just click on next, and here you can select a location where you want. You can select a specific directory in which you want to install, but I want to install it by default, so C program files and CodeBlock. So it will install over here. And next step, I will just click on that. It will take few minutes. Okay. Now search control panel, and then we will select system variable. So you make an you will need to go to control panel, and then we will control panel. So here is control panel. Now we will go to system variables, device manager. Now go back, in control panel we will need environmental variable, environmental variable, our system variables. I'm just writing variables. Edit the system variables. So this is system variable. Now we will click on environmental variable. So you will need to edit this path. You can search it over here. So here is this path. So we will need to edit it, and here we will need to paste Benji path, which we will select from so next, now I will click on finish. So by default I want to select this compiler, so GNU GCC compiler, so I will select on this, set as a default, and now I will press OK. So after pressing OK, you will need to open CodeBlock. So leave it as it is. Now you will need to come to compiler, and in toolchain variable you will need to click on that 3 dots. So we have installed our CodeBlock CodeBlock in window 8 C partition. So in C partition, so this is C partition, and program files we have program files. You need to search program files. Okay, so program files 8086. Now you will need to search CodeBlock. So CodeBlock is missing in this, so we will need to again program file. Sorry, you will need to select search program files. So these are program files, and here you can see we have CodeBlock. Now I will click on BGW, and then I will click on bin, and after selecting this folder I will copy this path, Ctrl C, and I will press OK. Now in system variable I will place it by Ctrl V. I will place it by Ctrl V, and now I will place a semicolon, or we can say it a terminator, or here now I press OK, and I will save it, and OK. So now close it. Okay, so if you will start CodeBlock, so it will be seen as like it. Now we will need to begin a project. So in new file I will select project, and in this project I will select console application. So I will click on this, and then we will click on go. Skip this page next time. So by ticking at this point we can skip this point, this step. Now I want to program for C++. I want to create a program, C++ program. So I will select this. You can select C, either you can select C or C++. Now you will need to select a directory where you want to save your code. So for example, if you want to save it in document, for example, so demo code, select this folder, create this folder, select this folder, and write hello world, because I'm interested in writing hello world dot cpp. No, this is the project name. Next, okay, create debugging configuration. So I will select untick this part. So I will just need release 1, because if I will click on this, so there we will have get two files for same project. So I'm not interested in debugging mode, so just I will click on this, because if you see, this is a release version. So release version you can use it for any practical application, or you may run it on hardware in the form of hex file. So this file may create hex file. So I will click on finish. Now in this code, in this source folder, we have main.cpp. So this is a default program. Now we will need to run it, build and run. Build will just compile your program, your this demo program, hello world message, and run will show it on screen. And if you will click on build and run, so both steps will become complete in just one click. Simulation or debugging, and run, which will show hello world message on screen. So after few minutes, after few seconds, you can see hello world. So your CodeBlock is now working properly, and we have complete all installation steps. So for now, take care, bye bye.